guess what?
What?
Today is Friday, you know, and today DJ Island Girl they on live stream. I go connect to him and see if I go get him.
This little girl.
DJ Island Girl in the building. Shape life. Make you know say, when I watch, make you know say I enjoy. You know what I mean? Me soon receive the card. You know what I mean? Card is so far away. Yeah, man. Hey, DJ Island in the building. I ain't got one time. I don't think of. Hey, Carly, if you love the vibe. Carly, if you love the vibe. Hey, Carly, if you love the flow. If you love the flow, I'ma say, hey, Carly. See that? Yeah.
Hey! Hi DJ Island Girl! Talk for me like that. Hey! Oh my god! I'm one of your biggest fans!
Wait, you love the vibe. Oh, you're big, man. Give thanks, mama, for always checking. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh my god! I'm 18!
18 where?
So the idea. You didn't Jada. Alright, pick up a set, Jada. Time to check you. You love the vibe, and I mean dance, guys. When we call you, you know I'm gonna. Let me know something nice, you know. So yeah, I appreciate the love. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up self. Yeah.
I love you. I wish to take a picture of you. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Oh my god.
Yeah, man. Hey, man. Thanks for calling. Hopefully one day you can see me up close. Yeah, what you mean? You love a phantom, you know?
Okay, later.
Yeah, look.
But you know the thing, when it's nice, I'm just with the vibe. I'm just, you know what I mean? Appreciate life. Yeah, appreciate love. But I have to check out my thing, but see what I'm finding, you know what I mean? Mask everybody, check it. You know what I mean? Comment if you need it. Hey, don't you still can watch the live. I'm thinking like I said, so it's a DJ I do all the time. So until next time then. See? That's what I see. Don't go. Yeah. I ain't moving at that ball. You know what I mean? So listen. I'm more for that. Yeah, man, so let's check out the little thing. Bless up, see that?
This is a USB cable now. Move, man, lift up.
Now we're really rough. Sometimes I smoke. Yeah.
Girl, you know say the man have talent. He can DJ, he can sing, he can do everything. You know say the man sexy too, girl.
Well, you know about sexy. How you know when people sexy?
Not because me young, I watch YouTube, Netflix, I see people in a real life, and you don't feel like me see you come over with your little boyfriend thing.
Oh, so you watch me?
It's not about watch you.
Listen, you're underage. You're not supposed to talk about no man. You're talk about your book. No about man.
Listen to me. Me in love with that DJ.
What you know about love?
I wish I could have meet him one day. I wish I could have take some picture with him, hug him, smelling color. None of the man get that chops too.
You hear yourself?
So you never yet in love with some artist or some DJ?
Yeah, me in love with artists, but not as how you behave.
I not behave no way. I just love the man. I just in love with the man, and nobody will tell big sister that. I don't know, but I'm so in love with this man.
Right now, when she big sister come in and hear what you say. Shut up.
Oh, me you're not talk about DJ Island Girl about.
Let me say one but she in love.
In love with who?
When name? I not even remember her name.
And with what? Where? And when? And what you talk about? Hello? Me notice say you go on like you big enough from the other day, you know. Go on like when me talk to you, put on your phone, don't do that. Me bigger than you, me your biggest sister. The two of you need to listen to me right now. You see DJ Island Grill? None out of the two of you can't know him, will never know him, and now go see him. What not talk about? I'm here for your mouth PP clock in here to you know like a duck in and they come go on like a she alone attack, you know, at the two of you.
No big sister she in here
At
attack
the
about
two of you me they talk about. Not only she alone, the two of you and you are going to shut up now like I say, Ray. You need to open up your mouth and speak. One-on-one with DJ Island Grill. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Let me put on your phone. Talk to me because DJ Island Grill, as somebody with me know a long time. It's my long time worker man. Even though me and him not there no more. Uno two young female and he not like girl like uno. Uno have a heart. Mother road. What me say? Uno have a heart. Well at. Uno can't so young. I want to think same be. He not like little pitney. I want to remember uno age. And a matter of fact, a school uno figure. Uno make them big man they get themselves in a problem, you know. Uno a little pitney, uno love big man too much. No wonder why when no parents go no money figure school, uno act like uno and make taxi driver. They go no free drive figure buy burger, go no and KFC. No bother with DJ Island Grill. No bother with him because if no.
See you make me get in a trouble saying can you?
Get in a trouble?
What me do?
Get in a trouble?
Me say me just like the
Who
man.
can't get in a no trouble because he don't want to know.
You there say yap.
If you no put yourself in a trouble and uno and him are going in a no trouble or no police is going to be me.
So big sister, what if me be the lucky one to meet him?
Meet him. Okay, me understand. Why you want to meet him?
Because I'm a favorite DJ.
Your favorite DJ?
I'm a big fan.
He's a big fan. I'm mostly fan when they blow the breeze outside, but not my ex-man. Would I be your fan? Because a problem would I did so me not tell no lie. I wanna go fall in love. I wanna be a fan for somebody else. Not DJ Island Grill. May I ask you one question now? No need to talk to me because you know me alone turn up yesterday talk like I say, I don't have no headpiece. But when you know alone the DNA can chat about people man. I learn I'm my ex-man. Me don't care. When I don't talk about him like that, it hurt me.
Oh, if it hurt you.
It hurt me because me like him same way. I mean I know if me can get him back down in line one day.
The man famous, he's a celebrity, so everybody has a crush.
It won't not talk to me one time, me can't hear. You not deaf me.
When we and sister not supposed to sit on yourself.
Pet, you shut up for your mouth over there, so. Irks. Hold your space, man. Hold your space. And what you tell me, say the two of you want the same man?
Me never said that.
So, what no problem? Why not call up your name so much? Because he's famous, so what? He famous, but that not mean say he famous to come there with unos.
I never said they would.
So what? No, but the oh you are
I'm a fan.
No, but the way
I'm a
oh
fan.
you're fan. You're fan. The fan where I walk there or AC. No bother with about I'm a fan. I'm a fan for who? For what? And why? Girl, anytime when I call DJ Island Grill name, don't make me head hurt me right now. Me need a Advil. Don't do
You
it.
there with him?
We did there.
Yeah, we did. That I did.
That had, oh, hello. When man good. If you want him back, me can get him back. But sit down. Come here, no size neither. Where you come
Already
question?
sit down.
Where you come question me about? You look like a turn up because you rank with me. You feel bigger than your age now, not true? When you have to say Miss Jada, come and notice you, you know?
Now because I'm 40, me look 40, me look bigger than my age.
Oh. So, okay. Let me wheel and come down again a little bit. Because you look like me too tall. Oi! 14-year-old, you is 14, you is not 20. You're not in your 20, you're still in your teen. Just got high school and you want bigger man than you. What is wrong with you? You're a little child. You're not ready for man yet. You're not ready for the video light yet. Okay, so I see you want them call up the other entertainer, them name, and make them go to jail. You want to send my ex-man to prison? Don't do it. Because all with me, a sister girl. You love what I do to you. And make me, you know, I can go about my business because I told me to know this and here on our chat, you know. Let me tell you something, man. You see, anytime we hold on conversation, X out DJ Island Grill out of it. How you just do? Jeremy? So you give me monkey face now. Because me your size. Eh? Me your size now. Anyway. No one self.
I'm saying no, can you back sit down?
Back to.
So, oi, pet, me know what to say now. How you want to do? What you want to do with your sister? What is your problem?
Then look how she look for me.
So you look like I say you want to war him now for the man. I want to say I don't look on the look
But
on
he
the
have
fans.
his boyfriend. When hide a carrying. Pet.
Pet. You don't remember your age? How much? You.
You're a big old man.
When?
Yep.
Oi, come here. Come here. Come here. You take it for joke. Come here. Come here. Me your bigger sister. Me responsible for you. No, come here. You're too out harder. Come here. Come up here, son, and look down on your clothes and me buy that. You're out harder. Come here. Come here, man. I'm honest. You love laugh. Stand up here, so. Girl, what you talking about? You're a big woman. Oi, you're a big woman when you're underneath your own roof. When mama gone a foreign from when? I know she no come back, she no remember boy you. Girl, you think I
That's not year right for you pull me like that.
I know
Suppose I didn't
when-
have my head licked on the tile.
if you lick up, make you have sense, cause why you deal with a smaller sister like that? Why? What you want to do?
I them something about me
No, grieve. What you want to fight me? If I lick your head in the wall, you gain sense. You hear, cause
Just see you.
Oi, mister, what you want to fight her? You look like you don't see me, so you
Just see you.
so you don't respect. Oi, you don't
And
respect.
because of me a bigger one, but you attack me for she. You don't see when she wrong, but that's when me wrong. You know what? You see, before me create right in this, me I come out of here, so yeah.
If you think you're bad, put back your ass right there, so. Go, you want me to pull it for you? Go through the door. See that, go through it.
Fight.
Take for yourself, where you go?
Beat him up, Gababa.
So you go
Beat him up,
over
Gababa.
she.
Cause when the other day
I
you
know
beat me up.
before
Shut up.
she.
Shut up your mouth.
I don't give me no outfit eat 20 in the day and beat me up.
Me. That's a one thing me nah do. I starve you, even though you deserve it. That's a one thing me nah do.
Oi.
Beat him up, Gabana.
Oi,
Beat
oi.
him up.
Shut up your mouth. Jada, hold on the 1 minute. Pet, turn around. Looking at me two eye them. Even though, oi. Nobody wind up in front of me. No do it. Me and you no size. You see a smaller, sit down. You see a smaller sister? Me need you to take care of her when me not there. Come on to my face. Stand up right there so you can wheel run. You stand up right there so. I want you. You're bigger than she, but you're not bigger than me.
And take her phone.
And that me I gonna do next time. You have the last chance with your phone.
Come
And if
can't
you
sleep
use-
for night time. And night time in there pan call.
You love chat. You love chat.
And that's it.
Fuck, man.
Oi. Mind what you do, you know. What you do? What you do? Eh?
Oh my God, you see this?
Hello, what are you doing?
I
This
must
is
shut
shut
up.
up, man. You have to shut up. What the hell wrong with you? Me no size, you know. Me and you no size.
Yeah, that's why you must behave like a size. Because me ain't no size. You must stop attack me over she.
Oi.
When she rang, if you tell her, say she rang.
Oi. You see that face happening? We ring off. And that me I tell you. And me run things in this place here. Under this roof where you're there. And me a parent. Don't little girl, me slap him in my mouth, you know. What is wrong with you?
No, you feel
Okay.
you're big, me afraid of you, miss. I'm not afraid of you, you know. Me not afraid of you.
Happy.
So all your husband and buff, you cannot blow me down because I am not afraid of you.
Shut
Fight.
Shut up.
Beat him up, Gabana. Beat him up.
Shut up.
Beat him up. Beat him up, Gabana.
Come on. Get up and come out. Come out. Get up.
Get up.
Get up. Stand up on your foot. What wrong with you? You feel say you're nobody in a soul size? Eh? What you feel like?
Yeah, don't rat. You know what?
Tell you, man. When me can't move, so you have worm? Eh? You have worm? You have to go get some sauce at least.
Like you see what I do tonight.
Shut up,
You
your
say
mouth.
just put me on your ground and lick me.
I know that. Beat me. Defend me. Defend me,
You know,
mister.
say because you're my big sister.
Take your hand out of my face, you damn out of that.
They gonna have
A matter of
respect.
fact, go back over there up on the bed. Go
You
through.
know me not go over there do a
Go back.
Fight.
Go back over there. Where you feel like? Go back. What?
Beat him up, Gabana. Beat him up. Beat him up.
I too me sorry for you. You know what? I just can't go about my business. What one? Cause you look like you have worm too. You take up my phone. And that. Beat her up again when me not there. And so me do it when me come about your one man. And you know they chat to man on phone and night time make my sister can't sleep. Watch me and you. Out hard and over. Who you? Soon look off the light on the backside.
You see all you? You see all you? I see can you make sure I want to bet if you complain for me, you see me all bet you. You want to complain for me? You want to complain for me? Alright, go on. See do it. Go on. Go on, go complain. See do it. Go find her now. Shut up.
Straight for you now, straight for you, man.
I think you make it anger me, so she never used to anger me so. And because of you deserve it.
Hello, DJ Island Grill. Wagwan. I want my number now in your phone again. I know say no device, but how comes my number now in your phone? I don't understand. Anyway, cut long story short. You know say I pass and hear some people about them are your fans. Yes, they say them are your fans, big fans of you. But me don't, you know say, I don't like how some of them attack. Because them attack like I look, they want to look you. Me know say me did there, you know. You don't have to tell me, me know. Now tell me say about me did there. Yeah. Me know say me never have nothing. The problem is, because me did too jealous and every minute you fly out and gone and you're too busy for me. So me, I was thinking that you did not have any time for me. But me did wrong. I just feel you did have a woman with me and them something there. Because when you're not so famous, you know say, well, if a girl go run on down and then the worst so you have your money. And you always dress nice, smell good and look good. No, sir. I couldn't bother to see no woman with you. That's why I did kind of cool out still. I know you don't have to tell me. I know. I know say you love me still and anything I want you will give me, but I kind of sorry and miss you still, you know. I remember the nice time them where we used to have and places where we used to go and something and all kind of things they used to buy for me. I did happy when me did there, you know, God no. I just told me they too jealous. I couldn't take him, I not telling lie, I did love you too much. Yeah. Yeah, man. I something I did want to sort out. So I call you to get one money from you. I know already say you go say no. One thing with you. One thing with you, you're a good man. You never make me short or nothing. All when me know that you ever and you still give me anything when I want. God know any woman will get you, them are going to love you. And I hope they take care of you because me bust up girl head for you when me know there. That me I make you know here. Yeah, me go always stay so cause good man will take care of woman the right way. We have to defend them. Straight. And you're famous already. What? Out on the road me I go. Yeah, I want the money. I don't have to tell you how much, because you always give me the right amount of money when I want to start out and I still have some left. So, just when you're ready, you just start out it. Because I want it for you, something important me I start out. Yeah. Alright then. Little more. Yeah, later. I'm not joking. Of course, me still look good. Don't do it. You know, I'm a hot girl for a long time. Alright, later. Bless up yourself. Look, come on. Yes.
DJ Island Grill.
Oh, where you this so long? Oh, you tell me so you soon come here around the corner. Do you know some day I wait for the money all long, man, and I need to go deal with something in my town? Now what? So, oh, you see you there around the corner and me and look at me can't see you. What you? And you know me need the money to go deal with my business in my town. Sure.
Even Miss Diamond.
Hi.
Where's Munchie?
You know some things that she going with you?
With me?
Yes.
No. Me come check her because we have some assignment to finish up.
But she said she come look for you. I don't know where she there.
Me not see her from morning.
Oh, that little girl they could have gone do, man. How she damn out of that so? But I don't understand the little girl them Munchie, you know. But hold on, so DJ Island Grill come there.
I'm sorry if it's so late, man. Lord Jesus, I just can't bother if you make it sound like something. You're unreliable like that. How much you say you want again?
You see how long you make me wait?
Come on, man. Talk to me, man. How much you say you want again?
I tell you, see 5,000 made one.
5. Alright, you want me to give you 1,000 now? And come check back for 4. Because I'm going to start out one lead along the road. You don't go already. 1, 2, 3. Let me get 2,000 now. See? Welcome more yard. You good?
Which lady down your road you go start out? Me not understand
My cousin.
Cousin, which cousin? Oh, me never know about that, the cousin.
Mama, how far I come from, you know? Enough thing to deal with. You know you go already. Car park up.
That don't enough to do what me want to do. And you nobody tell me about that, the cousin. Me not understand you.
And that I think I can't understand. How is it that me I give you what you say you forget, but me just say, boy, just give me a little time to give you later on that day. Because I don't want to go.
Because you want to go give your cousin some money and me need the money to do what me want to do.
You don't worry about that, man. And yo, look on me for something to buy. Must supply
no,
buy
you nothing, man. No cousin you go give no money.
Right,
this time a woman you have down your road and I short my money to go give to your woman.
Hold the money. Let's take the money. You take the money, you take the money. Talk to me, man.
Me want more money to do what me want to do because that don't enough.
You know, see,
I mean, no say you have no cousin down your road. That woman you have down there and short my money.
Me I give money in the US. You know how much people right now that want this opportunity. Just cool them, man, and all the money, man. I'm go buy back the can you get the plywood them? But at the end of the day, the man fi deliver the stuff them, but the truck not reach it. What the money now?
I bet you say no cousin you go give no money. I bet you say me go find out, you know. Me go and get to you but I might. You think so me go just take this sit down and take this stuff?
Later we talk.
Me soon find out how I go and you must think so me an idiot.
What you really look for? You look for somebody for use or somebody for help you. I'm going to tell you something now. You see, me give you planting and banana for them so you can't hungry. Eh? Because that was the arrangement, me going to take care of you. So I can't make it sound like you're ungrateful. Me don't love how you feel and everything and you're the school.
Oh, so you're one of them man that will love you woman things and take it tell them?
No, I'm not take it tell you.
You're one of them sissy man that will love you woman things. And throw in their face. So I throw in my face so you buy this and that for me?
No, I'm just saying.
That you do?
No, I'm just... Look, everything is read in front of you. It's not a fantasy.
You don't have to tell me that.
Yeah, but...
When you do it, you don't have to throw in my face. Why you throw in my face for?
But I cannot create the scene like...
But you hurt my feelings. How you don't feel for me tell you something I have a next man and you're my number one? Eh? Use your feelings and judge mine. Or you expect me to feel? Eh?
But you're reading.
So what? I water run through me and blood run through you? You feel like me not have no feelings, my youth? I don't understand you because you never did tell me nothing like that. You tell me say me your number one, so oh no you tell me say there is somebody else. I don't understand you.
At the time, you know what I mean, we not go through one like a flow, but we will have somebody before. Just me have to be really honest.
Oh, so you just tell me lies to get in?
No, I don't lie. I no matter lie, but I never really cement certain things. But yes, you don't want to move from my place. You say you send you want me to build you one place. So you see where the confusion come in. You can't kill me and blame me for certain things. Mama, see the money here. Try wrong money me and I give today. See for your money over here, sir. Mama, see the money here, hold your money. See the money here.
just because I want to finish up the house, you know, because I don't understand this, you know, because all pan and Sunday I tell me say I have different woman. And you never did tell me that before. You never did tell me that before. I don't know where you are going with.
Diamond.
I don't know where you are going. What, since you got foreign, you get different woman or what? We don't understand you.
Diamond, wait
What that's supposed to mean?
Diamond, wait
What that's supposed to mean?
Diamond, call me later. As I said before, I'm going to get the rest of the money. 5,000 you say you want? Call me later, because that's just one money pull up. Just cool, man. Call me later, I'm going to start to for you. Alright?
You're tripping now?
What do you mean a trip?
You're a trip, because I know you don't have no cousins where you say, but I'm going to find out. Remember, say people them in that district you chat, you know. No secret can't hide, you know.
But how
so
much?
I'm going to find out what.
But how much you hear about me? You don't hear nothing about me like that. You can't hear nothing about me because I don't mix up myself. I don't mix up myself with certain things. I don't lay myself kill it.
Something fishy.
This not a kill. Nothing fishy around here. We are talking about. Nothing fishy around here.
I'm going to find out.
Fire upon that. You know what I mean?
Don't worry yourself. I'm going to get to the meat of the matter. I'm going to find out what I'm going.
Diamond, you make me just feel a way right now. Because I say to myself, say, you are the one who I always come confide and you know, me check for you a certain way. But right now, I make me feel like I'm just taking myself. We don't have no written agreement. You know what I mean? We have a verbal agreement. And I'm a man, I'm stand up to my words. You know what I mean? My word is my bond. And let me tell you something, I'm going to take care. See there, we can't go to come give in the US. We could give 3,000 and I say, look more. When I come and I drop off that and look at me, I say, yo, I drop off in balance. That's cool, man. I have a friend of mine and a cousin call me and say they want a little help in the day. Yeah. I have to help them out, that's some mistake. You know what I mean? Island Grill.
Well, no, yeah, I'm not chatting with you, you know. I'm not chatting with you because all Panasonic and
I know you can't
you're number one. I know you're number one. I don't understand that, my youth.
Go up, man.
I don't want to argue. I don't know what you tell me about.
Alright, you come
I know you hurt my feelings.
Alright, so later I give her some money. Yeah. Alright. Diamond, look come on.
Good evening.
Good evening, man.
DJ Alan Green, right?
Yeah, you fright me, you know? Come here, one down.
I'm sorry. I'm not stalking you, you know.
You're not stalking me, you sure?
No, I'm not. I'm not stalking you.
How can I help you?
My family, they're a big fan of you.
Big fan?
Yes, they're a big fan.
Thank you, man. I highly appreciate it, you know what I mean? Tell them, and tell them some thanks. Alright?
Oh. Hold on. See you give. Are you a girlfriend?
Yeah, but you sound kind of too much, you know, like, in my business. Like,
No, man, I know her.
You know her?
Yeah,
And she know you?
Yeah, and she know me.
How old are you?
18.
Yeah, 18.
Oh, anyways. I see you gear some US. Can I get one too?
Some US. Boy, not easy, I try, boy. Today's a rough day, but no problem, man. I help people. So make sure you don't spend it in one place. Alright? At first you get a US.
At first, I get a US in my hand.
You want to look
But feel nice.
Alright, bless yourself, mama. Come here.
Oh, yeah, hold on. You can't take a picture of me.
But me, like, take a picture with you?
No, not a picture with me. A picture with me and you. And send it to me Instagram because I left my phone at home.
Alright, boy, this has sound
Nice
like I want.
though.
Alright, tell me something. Where your Instagram?
Pet.
Pet? Alright, so me just take a one picture.
I feel nice.
Feel nice? Well, that phone and them technology sometimes on us, you know? Alright, so, big up yourself. See where you do it. Ready?
Make sure you send it to my Instagram, you know?
Alright, where Instagram?
Pet.
Pet?
P-E-T.
P-E-T. Alright, Pet, big up yourself. May I send it to Instagram? Big up yourself, yeah?
What I do with you?
Yeah?
Bye. Look at this.
Where you get money from?
Your so-called crush. Yeah, for your so-called crush. Because apparently you're your crush. Yes. I see him
I can see I couldn't send the picture on my Insta.
I know my DJ Island Girl at her.
I'm see one.
I believe not what you say. Yeah.
Alright, you will see. How are this? No, me and him.
You meet him? You meet him? How should you meet him?
You no need to know that. All you want was say, me meet him today and then give me that over the sun.
Girl, oh you stay say you know say I'm a big fan of the man and I well want to meet him and see the man.
Oh, me stay. I don't mean tell her to stay home. You should have followed behind me. If you did follow behind me, you would have seen him. But no, she want to catch up in her house. Not my fault. It's not my fault.
Alright, my time to come and meet him, but
Your time now will come.
hope when big sister come later, me tell her you and I can start.
You want chat in here? You want chat in here? Me boss up your mouth here. You better shut up.
So how much me I get out of your money?
You're not getting none.
Enough money that did a girl $100 US that in a. And a thief, you thiefy.
Me look like a thief to you.
Cause of a thief, you know you're a problem.
Me ever thief not for you yet?
Of course you thief from me, you thief me money. DJ Island Grill.
Yo, shut up. I'm gonna make big sister come go here you talk about man. Look somebody like you can have man. Bow man. And the people them man. Look for little you bow man.
Yeah, no. Hello?
Agabana, me dey out there again.
Gabana, yeah man, come in man. Get go open man. Get up here. Just walk in. We're on that side, yeah?
Wait, what the heck? I door closed.
But they're on that side. We're on that side. So far, we're on that side.
Okay, alright,
See?
now alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Well, go on. There, man.
Alright. Glad to see you. I see you smell good.
That me go see what you want to go, you know?
You ever in a dear Millions cologne them?
That's
You
cool,
love
man.
Millions, eh? Me know your favorite, you know?
That's cool, man. Ah, Jesus.
Boy,
It's been a while when I see you, though.
you forgot say you give me that name there, Gabbana.
Sure, man.
So my favorite cologne is Dulce
Dulce.
Gabbana. Boy, I didn't remember I used to buy them for my birthday.
I tell you.
Oh God.
We had some good times, that's true.
God no.
Some real good times.
Real nice time. All them places where you used to take me. I miss them, you know?
That's cool, man. Sorry,
I
man.
miss them bad.
I'm hear a phone call and I say, wait. You know the voice saying, go buy this, man. Jesus Christ. We have the same number still.
Yeah.
I remember the digits of my first 3 digit. Yeah, I remember them. But so I go with it differently though, cause you know what I mean. I understand say you want me help with that little thing, but you know, I have a problem. They don't know anything about it.
I have something to tell about two little sister we may have.
Mm.
Lord have mercy. Anyway, before me go, it always look different, like you put on new part on it. Cause around here, so no.
Yeah, man, I don't yet. It's a work in progress, you know what I mean. I have to give thanks to the Most High. I don't know anything already. You know, the little blessing I get, I just thank God for it.
I like it.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. So, what you say about your sister then?
Money I spend, I like it. Anyway, as me tell about my two sisters, them. Me have two sisters there, you see. One at 14 and one at 18. And you know say one of them? But maybe you don't recognize them if you see them now. Because when them did much smaller when me used to them. Maybe they grow up and don't know you. Because them did small.
True.
But anyway, See, when we are 14, I kind of give and take with she. Because you know she young, you know when they young, they go and flighty and fleety and go on like they know everything when they don't know nothing. I not take telling.
True.
Yeah, but me kind of understand. Me not say she are the best one and the goodest one, you know, because the two of them are my sister same way, you know. But the little one, me have to give and take with she. You see the one we are 18, the bigger one? Me can't manage him. Me can't manage her known tall. The girl bad like a years. Love man, yeah?
But when you say bad and thing, you don't know say you have badness running in your vein. You know what I mean?
That's true, that's true. But you don't remember your name?
That again.
You don't see you're famous?
Up there,
DJ
there,
what?
there. DJ Island Grill. You don't know them still love you, you know what I mean?
Okay, so you know say, from a your name and it's so famous, Master be a bad girl you talk to. Me did that feel bad, I not tell no lie. Me did that feel bad, but you know me get bigger and older, you know, me kind of cool down and cut out the badness. But me don't want my sister them be like me.
Not true.
Me can't go on like I said, me just want to load them up to any and anything. Me have to show them the right way.
Well, let me know. Even though still you don't know, say, life set away where everybody have their own little path. Reality always open up at the end of, you know what I mean, you know, when a person realize what they really want and what really matters in life, you know what I mean? Because we know say you in love to jump off a certain things and jump and dagger and all them something there. You give it up, you start, you know, take things serious and say, boy, ropes wraps. But anyway, you say you want a food for sort out some stuff, so you don't know the thing already and he's always a friend no matter what, you know what I mean? Call me Chucky, a friend to the end, you know what I mean? Yeah.
You know name not Chucky.
Not sure.
DJ Island Grill to the fullest.
Well said.
Yeah, well famous and everything. You know, make you give me so much money all the while, you know, you can't forget the wheelbarrow. What?
Yeah.
Head top. You don't know if you make no broke already, because them the position that them bad like a years.
That's cool.
You remember them more while, not you?
What you mean?
I hope you not call out my name, you know. When you're your next girl, them they one places, you know.
You know, so sometimes we do it on the style. I gotta sweet like Dolce and Gabbana.
Why? Why?
Yeah.
You're rough, you know.
So you go, man. You know,
But let me tell you something, I tell no lie. Although me, you know, there, no girl can't put their foot in my shoes when me did there. And me can just imagine how some of them are going like through them frightened for money or them go on when they see your money. And grateful and go on one kind of way.
Yeah, me can't give on drama. Me give a little drama. Me have a little thing, you know what I mean? Because you know, so me still love me love my Piper. You know what I mean? So you don't know the thing. What year I go on? Me don't go to the yard today because, you know, don't know, so I help her out and thing, man. Get her system straight and so forth. But me tell the woman, say, me have to give her a certain amount of food and thing. But because you call me now and tell me, say, boy, me have to, you know, me have to help you. So me have the money for give her, you know. But just because me want to, you know, help you out and me have a cousin to start out, you want to believe me, like a lie me I tell.
So you know no cousin?
Look so.
It look like you alone in the world no have no cousin. But she have cousin though. But I like for me that the woman there.
Alright, man. But
because cousin and cousin boil good soup. And when them girl they can't tell you say, I'm my cousin, you know what else take place.
That's true.
But she not trust you. You go give me money and give your cousin money and she not believe you.
She don't believe me. Like me is a liar. Me stand by my word.
You can't deal with them girl they will not trust you.
Yo, me stand by my word, man.
Although me not tell you for left her now.
The thing is this, you see, me kind of rate her because, you know, my spirit take her, you know what I mean? And she have a nice spirit inside out, you know what I mean? As somebody who you can call and talk to and, you know, really certain, you know, like feelings. But me still don't know if she had chat me behind her back. Because, you know, people say the people tell her this and them do that. You understand? But at the end of the day, it's with you know.
Look here. You know my style, you know. You're counting money too long. You know my style, you know. Every time, you know much time you count. You're not top count this one money you have to know. Look here. You hold up it too long. May I make your woman come pass and see her the next woman money. I mean, I ain't no business again. So guess what? You know, people can trail people and start them, you know. One thing come pass and see her give me money and you're not in a problem when you go home say I give woman money. Remember, so we ain't no business again, you know. We are just real article bridging ex-lover from long time.
I like that part, the ex-lover.
Yeah, ex-lover.
Yeah, man. You have manners and respect as usual. So you are going.
Thanks anyway.
No problem, man. You don't me have it for
Thank you. A long time more and tell you this. You see, out of all of the man them me there with, And you see David and David now, you is the best man ever have in my life. Right now, I miss you so bad, but I really understand say it was my jealousy as I tell you before. And me you still talk anything me ask for you still give me. And I appreciate it. So me thanks for everything you do for me, you know? Okay, if some man they wouldn't want to give me, then I say you did have it in your hand and you know what I mean? And I make it gone and I still have to turn to you. But me appreciate it. So thanks anyway. Me dey on the run.
How yourself, man? I'm
Me nah forget about you.
That's cool, man.
I wouldn't mind me I do it when I ball out your name, you know. I trouble did it, trouble did it. Trouble did it.
I mean,
I go try one night time and tell you about it. You know some man jealous, you know.
My name will choke you.
No. You know some me and them a chat about the choking thing and I don't want nobody choke me and kill me, so I don't want no choking. Me can't do different style without choking.
Alright, mama.
Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Oh,
One love every time.
Angry thing, man. Angry thing. One work on a mix here, you know. Hold on. Diamond. What you say? Yeah, man, alright. Just forward now, man. Tell us to forward now, even already, man. You make it sound like a problem, man. But they're on the side, man. So we not, just come straight in. You know you go already. Yeah, man, they know the code. Right? Right, that's it. Yo, just relax now, Diamond. Alright. Work out the mix the answer. Diamond in the building. You look like you vexing me. Vexing me? Come on, Diamond, man. You can't do them something, man. Far where I come from, you know. Sure.
And that's why I still can't believe what you said to me. After so long, me I talk over how much years me I talk. I went there, me I look for say, and me I go be first lady in your life. You tell me say, there is somebody else, and me is not your number one.
Yes,
You know how that make me feel?
Diamond.
You really hurt my feelings, you know?
Diamond, you see? Worst thing about it is that every time I talk to you, you listen to me only when you're ready to listen to me. So I feel, say, I want to encase the way I talk to you now, when you listen to me, you just in your own moment and your own mood. So you can talk to you from earlier, I say, yo, we can't just go and see how you work out. You know what I mean? You dash upon me and thing, and we enjoy ourselves, and we just, it's like we're not in an agreement like that. We just move with nature and natural cause. But hear me, sister, see? You have to take this thing too personal. Just understand the circumstances that work with me, man. More everybody feel happy, man. You know what I mean? Because I don't tell you, say, I don't have feelings for you, and I don't feel, say, you hurt right now. Because when you come and, say, boy, me don't have feelings, and DJ Island Grill just is a wicked youth and all this. Come on, man. I take care, you know. Just like I promise about the money. You know what I mean? As some mistake, I keep my word. You know what I mean? Because this man, imagine me get 2,000 USD, say 1.5. And I say, yo, come check back later, and I give you balance. And we are going. That not sound right, Diamond. I don't like the vibe, but you are going. He's a man of my word. You know what I mean? You get it. You have one show later, you know, what you say I do? You forward with your friend them? Shell the bar and, you know what I mean? You do like a dance and I love to do. What make you look so sad? Diamond. Wake up now, Diamond. Make things set away, man. Alright. Here we go. See? Think about what really are going on, son. Think about if you really want to be there, son. Because it don't make sense me in a relationship where, you know what I mean, you feel like me I do something and you're not comfortable and happy. It don't make no sense. Because you're going to stop doing the things you like. You're not going to whine on you again, you're not do all them something so. Me go, in a one state of mind where we're just uncomfortable. See the money was promising. Just go think about everything.
You just left me in a shock, you know. Because I can't believe say after me I go on for how much years? I'm around 6 years me I go on, you know. And now all of a sudden you tell me say there is someone else and me is not the first woman in your life. And then you expect me to just act as if you don't say nothing to me. Or like me not have no feelings or like it just come like I said nothing at all, never mean anything to you. I really can't believe you. All these years me think say everything did real between me and you. I did just front you buy from me.
This you gone with the mama? How about that, man? Hear what? I must think about everything.
So what you did I do? Play with my love and my emotion and my affection. All this while.
Diamond, stop in a diamond. Stop
Me and
now,
live our house together. I'ma feel like I say at the end of everything, I'm married, we're gonna get married.
Diamond.
Only if you know say me is not your number one woman, there is a next woman with that is number so me a one, number 2, 3, 4, me a number one. What me be in your life?
Diamond, this man, just stop now, man. You blow this thing out of proportion. First thing, you don't want to live from down, so. Me tell move, come up here, so come live with me, you don't want to live with me. You say you want your own place. So me give you own place. Which relationship right now? Listen to me, I say. Which relationship right now you have out there where one partner live 5 miles along the road and next person live 5 miles up the road? And they don't want to see a serious relationship where you look for married. Come on, man. If you don't live with me, say you don't want to live with me, so I just left it there, so. If you give me the code and say you don't want to live with me, me just build your place. So stop act like say it's a something what me arrange, you know, and talk about. We talk about this thing, Diamond.
Okay, so that's your problem then. To become a call live with you. That's a reason why you tell me say you have somebody else.
Well, that's one reason, Diamond.
That's one reason.
Diamond, here I go.
That's a reason, alright, truth, you tell me say you really have somebody else.
Yeah, me have somebody else. She live upstairs. Diamond, we talk about this. Me give you money and think. Just think about what me tell you. Because me have to just get me set together. You know what I mean? So just go and do your thing. Me will come check you and we talk about this tomorrow. Yeah? We talk about this tomorrow.
I know talk you need. It's like how you live with somebody else and me your number one and she you go married. You play me like I said me a puppet and like I said me an idiot. Alright, you know, we how me feel. Me feel cheated and I feel like I said this a relationship you're done, brother. I can't deal with this here. Because me I did first and she come second and she get first place. Or the hell that for happen? You know, me never come on a party or nothing, yeah, man. Right now, I'm done with you. I'm done.
Alright.
I'm fed up. I'm done. I can't deal with this no more.
Alright, Diamond.
You think so you're only man to because you have money?
Alright,
you feel like I say you can't just come style me anyhow. I'm for just sit down and take it so. Just slow me out here, man. But we get next man. He's not the only man around. And he's not the only man in this world. Right now, he's a white man me want. You can't go on. We're going to get a rich white man, richer than you. Go on where you go.
Alright, Diamond. You soon turn gold. Oh, get that thing already, yeah.
Jerry, what they brought you?
Stop there, girl. You want to make some good money?
Yeah, I know.
I make you make some money off a DJ Island Grill.
Really?
Yes. All you have to do, I just walk up to him and over him and sit down right now. Just go and go sit down in your lap. I make me get to take a couple pictures of you.
Which part do you live?
Right up the road, they live right up the south by big house.
Over the big house there?
Yeah, man.
So how much you pay me?
Right now in the road, the corner, sit down right
Much
down
you
the corner
pay me?
house. 2 grand.
2 grand, me mama ride off.
No man. I mean 20 grand, my
Oh,
girl.
now you're talking. Now you're talking.
All right, come on for a bite now.
Oh, yeah. Yo, ease up now. Oh, I'm there. Oh, ease up for me now, man. What? So what? Where you come from?
You know, so me one of your big fan.
Alright, you have one. See, how you reach over here, sir? Stop. Alright. How old are you?
18.
You're 18.
Yes.
Alright. Just leave it, please. Here, please.
Me 18, you know?
Don't worry about that. Go on. Just take your time, man. Take your time.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. What's the meaning of his visit, boss?
Yes, sir. I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating on the internet in regarding to a minor.
A minor?
Yes, and you are involved, so we are here to arrest you.
What you mean, sir, me involved? What you talking about?
Listen, man, we have gotten the directive from the commissioner to lock you up.
Let me see a photo where you talking about, because I don't understand what you talking about.
Yeah, man, isn't that you, sir?
It's a setup to this, but it's have to be alright, here we are going. See? Do no work, because I understand I work on the work because this have to be some misunderstanding. See? Come and understand.
Yeah, man, no bother road, man. Just you take up your laptop and come.
Everything good, man, because this have to some misunderstanding. Come and understand why I'm not going on, like I said. I'm a criminal, you know? Don't stop cheap like a criminal. Yo, watch out, man.
Ano sa karne? Hello? Lock him up for what? What you say? Wine do, me need to know wine do. Oh no, who no lock up? DJ Island Grill a famous man. Me no know. Oh, wine do. Wanna see him with gun jugs or what? Wanna lock him up for? No, me not understand. You can't name nobody this a food there. No, man. Hold on there. No. Hold on. Me a left out right now.
No, man, just leave it, please, here.
Me 18, you know?
Don't worry about that. Go on, just take your time, man. Take your time and leave it, please. Diamond! What are you doing? No, you. Ready? Diamond!
I feel low in that pants. I feel low in that pants. Ready? Ready? I don't laugh.
Oh, Mr. Yes, sir. What's the meaning of this visit, boss?
Yeah, man. As I said before, I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating. What are you Ready?
Everything good, man. Because I have some misunderstanding. I understand why we're not going on like that. Yo, I'm a criminal, you know. Don't stop cheating like a criminal. Yo, watch out, man.
Yes, hi, sir. My name is Hi, sir. My name is Constable. Officer Samuels. Detective Brown. I feel low in that one. I feel low in that one. Ready? I don't laugh.
Oh, Mr. Yes, sir. What's the meaning of this visit, boss?
Yeah, man. As we said before, I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating. What are you doing?
Yo, make one time.
Yeah, but Javi, give Javi a try. Give Javi a try. Stand up, Javi. Stand up. Step back, Javi.
No, he knows, sir.
Javi.
A million sit up fly on the plane now. So I'm break now a second. Come back.
Step too closer to you.
You ready, Alden?
Yes, sir. What's the meaning of this visit, boss?
Yes, sir. I am Detective Samuels and this is Detective Brown. There is some photos circulating on the internet in regarding to a minor.
A minor?
Yes, and you are involved, so we are here to arrest you.
What do you mean, sir, me involved? What are you talking about?
Listen, man, we have gotten the directive from the commissioner to lock you up.
Let me see the photo what you're talking about, because I don't understand what you're talking about.
Yeah, man, isn't that you, sir?
Alright, here we go. See? Do no work, so I'm going to start to work on the work because there have to be some mistake, misunderstanding. See? Come and start.
No, man, nobody hurt, man. Just take up your laptop, man. Alright, give a white chat. Give a white chat.
How from big old party?
Yes, white.
From big old.
Yo, they go to cover over here.
You go to too wide with dirty foot and show like a dog. Ready, Alton? Alright, do it. Arrest him.
The one thing I
Pass it up.
everything good, man. Because they say I have some misunderstanding. Come and understand why we're not going to go on like say. Yo, I'm a criminal, you know. Just stop cheating like a criminal. Yo, watch man, I love I beat me up. Alright. Well learned. No, feel that.
Any of we could have chat.
This one,
If
man.
any of me have
This one,
we could have chat.
Let me see your foot. No, give me that one. So come for that one. Here.
God, this hot.
So Richie, you have all that stuff that you need, right, Richie? You have everything we need. Kebla. Eh? One. Maybe one. What did you mean? Maybe one. But I think two for me there. Yeah. Come on, just a camera.
Wait, just camera.
Shine, man. Come on,
Shot looks like look my brother.
Oh, you take off him, sit down for it too.